Are you tired of showing your face on camera but still want to earn from YouTube? Then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to automate an entire faceless YouTube channel using free tools, no camera, no editing experience, and no budget needed. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications, because here, we help you earn smarter online using simple, proven strategies that actually work. Why faceless? YouTube is the next big thing. Faceless YouTube is not just a trend, it's the future of online income. Thousands of creators are building profitable channels without ever recording their faces or voices. From AI explainers and motivational videos to finance, travel, or documentaries, automation is changing the game. In 2025, you can run an entire YouTube business from your phone or laptop using only free tools. You focus on ideas, and the tools handle everything else. Start by picking a niche that doesn't require your face. Some top-performing faceless niches include motivation and success, tech and AI tutorials, side hustles and finance, fun facts and documentaries, study and relaxation music. Use Google Trends, Vidic, or keywordtool.io to see what's currently trending. Choose topics with high search demand but low competition. Next, you need a good script. It's the heart of your video. Use ChatGPT free version to generate full YouTube scripts by typing prompts like, write a 3-minute YouTube script on money with an engaging intro and call to action. You can refine your text using Quillbit or Grammarly to make it sound more natural and unique. Always read through and adjust the tone to match your brand style. Informative, fun, or motivational. No need to record your voice. Free text-to-speech tools like TTSMaker, Narrakeet, and 11 Labs free tier create realistic AI voices for narration. Just paste your script, choose a natural voice, and download the audio. You can sound professional without saying a single word yourself. Now, it's time to create visuals. Download free video clips and background footage from Pexels, Pixabay, or Mixkit. Edit your video using CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Canva video editor, all free. Import your AI voiceover, sync it with clips, add transitions, and include background music from YouTube's audio library. In under an hour, you'll have a full, ready-to-upload YouTube video. Thumbnails are everything. They decide who clicks. Use Canva's free thumbnail templates. Keep them bold, readable, and high contrast. To automate uploads, schedule your videos through YouTube Studio, or use later.com for timed posting. If you want to boost SEO automatically, install TubeBuddy's free extension helps you find the best tags, titles, and keywords fast. Once your videos start getting views, YouTube will reward your consistency. After 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization. But there's more you can earn from affiliate links, sponsorships, and even digital products, all without showing your face. The key is automation. Create once, earn forever. Remember, automation doesn't mean laziness, it means working smarter. If you start now, you could build a faceless channel that pays you every single month. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. Comment below, faceless income, if you want me to drop a free list of automation tools for your YouTube journey. This is your time to start earning smarter. See you in the next video.